Hey man, can you please explain me about supervised learning and unsupervised learning?
Sure, why not? Let me explain you. So, supervised learning, as the name suggests, is based on supervision. It means in the supervised learning technique, we train the machine using the labeled dataset. And based on that training, the machine predicts the output. As the labeled data specifies that some of the inputs are already mapped to the output. So we provide the machine right answers, and based on that, it predicts the output of a new instance. So this is the example of labeled data. So let's understand supervised learning with an example. Suppose we have input data set of cat and dog images. So first, we'll provide the training to the machine to understand the images, such as the shape and size of the tail of the dog and the cat, shape of eye color, height, etc. After completion of training, we input the picture of cat and ask the machine to identify the object and predict the output. Now the machine is well trained, so it will check all the features of the object, such as height, shape, color, eye, ears, tail, etc., and find that it's a cat or a dog. So it will put the cat category or dog category. This is the process of how the machine identifies the object in supervised learning. So at last, the main goal of supervised learning technique is to map the input variables with the output variables. So real world application of supervised learning are risk assessment, fraud detection, spam filtering. So supervised learning is of two types. First is classification and second is regression. So in classification, we found out discrete values, and in regression, we found out continuous values. Uh, in So now that you understand the concept behind supervised learning, let me explain you the concept of unsupervised machine learning algorithm. So in unsupervised learning, we provide machine an unlabeled dataset, and the machine predicts the output without any supervision. The main aim of the supervised learning algorithm is to group or categorize the unsorted dataset according to similarities, pattern, and differences. Machines are instructed to find the hidden pattern from the input dataset. So let's take an example to understand it more precisely. Suppose there is a basket of fruit images, and we input it into the machine learning model. The images are totally unknown to the model, and the task of machine is to find the pattern and categories of the objects. So now the machine will discover its pattern and differences, such as color difference, shape difference, and predict the output it is tested when it tested with tested dataset. So when the machine don't have labels of the inputs, our model should be able to find patterns and regularities in the input that are unknown to us or humans or machine. We need to estimate which association occur more often than other and how they are related. So there are two types of machine unsupervised learning. So first is clustering, and second one is association.
Thanks so much.